The Crypto Fear and Greed Index currently stands at 74, indicating strong market greed. This high level of greed often suggests bull market confidence, but it also warns of possible overextension. Short-term traders might see this as a signal to take profits, while longer-term investors may interpret it as a sign of ongoing momentum. Overall, this reading suggests bullish sentiment, but caution is advised to avoid potential corrections if greed turns to fear soon. Bitcoin has hit a historic milestone, soaring over $122,000 as crypto week approaches. This record high reflects growing institutional interest and investor optimism. In the short term, the rally could attract more buyers, pushing prices even higher. However, such rapid gains might also trigger short-term volatility. Long-term, this sets a bullish tone for Bitcoin's dominance in the financial world, signaling confidence in cryptocurrency's mainstream adoption. Grayscale, the leading crypto asset manager, has filed confidentially for an IPO with the SEC. This move hints at big plans to expand and diversify its offerings, possibly including new investment products. If approved, it could boost the credibility and mainstream acceptance of crypto investment firms. In the medium term, this development might lead to increased institutional participation, supporting overall market growth. BitMine Immersion has secured $500 million in Ethereum following a recent capital raise. This substantial investment underscores strong institutional confidence in Ethereum's future. Expect increased adoption and development activity on the Ethereum network, which could boost prices and scalability solutions in the long term. In the short term, this may reassure investors and propel Ethereum's price upward. Despite the global tensions and trade war, Mexico's peso has gained strength. This is an interesting geopolitical shift that could impact crypto markets, as investors seek stable assets amid uncertainty. In the short to medium term, it might lead to increased interest in emerging markets and crypto assets as alternatives to traditional currencies. Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy signals a return to aggressive Bitcoin buying, coinciding with MetaPlanet's addition of 797 Bitcoin. This coordinated purchase activity indicates strong institutional confidence in Bitcoin's future. Expect a positive impact on Bitcoin's price in the medium term, as such large buys reinforce the asset's perceived value and stability. MetaPlanet has added 800 Bitcoin to its holdings, spending about $93.6 million. The company plans to buy more. This aggressive accumulation by an institutional player signals confidence and could inspire similar investments. Short to medium term, this could drive Bitcoin prices higher and reinforce its position as a store of value in the crypto space. This week is marked as Crypto Week, with U.S. lawmakers voting on 3 major digital asset bills. Regulatory clarity could have a significant impact on the market, potentially enabling wider adoption and more institutional involvement. Positive news could boost prices, but any negative regulatory developments might cause short-term volatility. Major companies are increasingly integrating Hyperliquid into their crypto treasury strategies, signaling growing corporate confidence in DeFi assets. This adoption could boost the demand for Hyperliquid tokens and related DeFi innovations. Short-term, expect a bullish sentiment. In the long term, this signals broader acceptance of crypto assets by mainstream corporations. Crypto markets experienced several notable events today, including Bitcoin's price movements, new DeFi integrations, and regulatory updates. Keeping an eye on these trends helps investors navigate volatility. Overall, the news points to a dynamic market, with both short-term trading opportunities and longer-term growth potential. Crypto billionaires are flocking to the UAE, attracted by zero taxes, favorable regulations, and elite residencies. This trend highlights the UAE's emerging role as a crypto hub. In the medium to long term, this could lead to more institutional and high-net-worth investments in crypto, strengthening the market's infrastructure and legitimacy. Bitcoin has moved into the top 5 most valuable assets worldwide. This is a major milestone indicating its growing importance. The milestone increases mainstream confidence and could catalyze further institutional investments. Over the long term, Bitcoin's inclusion among traditional assets supports a bullish outlook for its value and adoption. The ecosystem around Hyperliquid is gaining significant traction, with large firms adopting it as part of their treasury. Such adoption might elevate Hyperliquid's token value and signal broader decentralized finance, or DeFi, acceptance. In the short to medium term, this boosts confidence in DeFi projects and reinforces bullish momentum across crypto markets.